Direct here, and today we're working on the CRF 50 again. Last video you basically saw me put the new carby on, and I haven't done much since. The only thing I've done is I've found the kill switch, robbed it off another bike I had. Basically it works. I just need to solder these lines in or find some connections, and I also took out I think one link out of the chain, so it's a bit better now. I see a little bit off. So all I did was I put this, clamped the train down, and just whacked it with the nail, sorry. And that's basically it. That's all I've done since. But I got some parts in the mail, and I'll show you guys what they are now. So let me pull them out. Yeah, so I bought some new plastics, red and white. Basically got them off AliExpress. Basically exact same plastic. So yeah, that's it. That's really it. That's all I bought. I don't even think I'm going to put a sticker kit on this one because I want it to look factory, and it looks pretty good like normally stocks. But what I do want to do is I want to clean it up, and for this bike what I did was I used some White King on the cases, and it actually cleaned up really well. So I think I'm going to do that, and then I want to clean up the rest of the bike. I want to take these plastics off, give it a good wash, and then put new plastics on, and then just start to clean the rust off and all that stuff, and try and get it looking good again. So yeah, let's get these plastics on, and let's see what happens. Alright guys, so I've actually put the new plastics on. As you can see, I actually moved the bars back a little bit. So there's two holes here. I just pushed it back to the further hole because obviously, you know, just get a little bit better. Also, like especially for kids riding it, the bars, you don't want them too far forward. Also, basically because there's a different fork and triple clamp, this actual little bit here is meant to go down into this hole, and then your fuel line is meant to go down there. Well, actually in the old plastic it's been cut off, so I might cut it off. I might just leave it, but I'm gonna get some fuel lines to put into there. But otherwise, I think that's it for this video. Just a quick one. I want to get something out because I'm actually like stocking up for footage after going away. Yeah, so basically I just showed you how to put in plastics. It's making this bike 10 times better, honestly. I should go around, get some peel porn. Oh yes, love it. Don't you love all of this? Obviously, if you like this new quality, let me know. New phone. I was having some troubles before with getting the footage off, and that happened in the last video. I actually started saying that, but honestly the quality is getting an upgrade, which is good. Also, let me know what you want me to do now. I've got new plastics, new carby. You know, I've actually freshened up the bike. Well, let me know what you want you guys to do, honestly. If you want me to get, you know, make it a good series, do something, I don't know. Put some tail lights, maybe mirror, see what we can do with it. Also, last year I pushed in the throttle just because it was a bit, the grip was sticking out a bit. But yeah, I think that's it for today's video. So thanks for watching, and peace.